Good evening from Guayaquil, Ecuador. I'm Romney Yepes. Welcome to the first video test about econometrics. Let's start. Chapter 1, Economic Questions and Data. What econometrics is, we could get a half dozen different answers. One might tell us that econometrics it's a science, tests economic theory. Second, economists might tell us that econometrics is a set of tools, statistical tools, for forecasting, of course, future values of a random economic variable. Firm sales, overall growth of economy, gross domestic product, or stock prices. Okay. Another economist might say that econometrics is a process of fitting of mathematical or math economic models, okay, to real world data. Okay. Four economists might tell us that econometrics is a science, okay, art, wow, of using historical data to make quantitative uh, policy recommendations in government or business. At the broad level, econometrics is science and art that uses economic theory and statistical techniques to analyze social data. Econometrics is a method that is used in many branches in economics. For instance, we could use that in finance, labor economics, macroeconomics, or microeconomics, marketing, economic policy. Let's try to see about the economic questions that we examine. Okay, four of these questions concern education, for instance, racial bias in, for instance, mortgage lending, cigarette consumption, macroeconomics forecasting. So in this video, we examine the relationship between the class size and basic learning. We're going to use the data which is gathered from 420 California school districts in 1999. So question number 2, is there racial discrimination in the market for home loans? The third question is, how much do cigarette taxes reduce smoking? Basic economics says that if cigarette prices go up, consumption will actually go down. But the question here is how much? If the sales price goes up by 1%, by what percentage will be quantity of cigarettes sold decrease? So the percentage change in the quantity demanded resulting from a 1% increase in price is the price of elasticity, is the price elasticity of demand.